everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys the coupon inserts for June 2nd, 2019. Now it looks like we're getting two inserts, one Smart Source and one Retail Me Not. Sorry, my kid and my husband are going to be background noises. But I'm here to share with you guys new coupons that we are getting. So we are getting $1 off at Kids. One thing I do want to tell you is the site that I'm looking at right now is moolahsavingmom.com. I just Google it and I try to find the website that has both inserts to share with you guys. So Act Kids, we're getting $1 off that. There is a deal at Target, but the deal is no longer good on checkout 51. Otherwise, there would have been an easy deal for that. Ben Roll-On Deodorant, $3. We're getting Bic Razors, $2. Bic Soleil, $3. I never get Bic coupons, which I'm fine with. Brita Filters. Chex Cereal, $1 off of 2. Claritin, Clairol, buy one, get one, Natural Instincts. Now there is a $3 off deal on Ibotta, so there might be some good deals with that. Sorry, you guys can't see that. Claritin, we're getting Clorox Wipes, $1 off of 2, $1 off of 2. We are getting Colgate toothbrush and toothpaste, $1 off of that. CoverGirl, $2, $2, $2. I feel like we get CoverGirl every other week, literally. We're getting Ensure, a 3 off of 2 and a 4 off of 2. Fungi Nail, there you guys go there. Glucerna, 4 off of 2, that's actually a great coupon. General Mills Cereal, $1 off of 2 or $1 off of 2. Okay, sorry you guys, my kid does not understand. It's time to be quiet. But we are getting General Mills cereal coupons. We got $1 off of 2 and $1 off of 2 selected Cheerios. Gold Bond, Icy Hot, Miralax, Nivea Shave Products, and Nivea Men. Poise, we're getting a 5 off of 2, so hopefully we can find some deals. Renew Eye Stuff, 4 off of 2 and 2 off of 1. Sargento Cheese, Welch's Fruit Roll-Ups, and Fruit Snacks, $1 off of 2. You'll Play Cups and You'll Play 8-pack. So that is what is in the Smart Source. And now here we're looking at the Retail Me Not. We got Adult Zyrtec, Always Discreet. So we got a 3 off of 1 and a 2 off of 1. Why is it moving on me? Biotine, $2.50 off of 1. Centrum, 4 off of 1. Centrum. So there might be some deals with Centrum on Saving Star to make it a super easy thing. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that to make sure you check your Saving Star. Here we got Fancy Feast, Friskies, Kellogg's Rice Krispie Cornflakes, $1 off of 2, Profoot, Super Polygrip, and Lubricant. So it's not the greatest inserts, but I'd still get them because there's some good deals that you guys can get for certain things. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. Again, you guys can go to Moolah Savings Mom. Now, not everybody gets the same coupons, and not everybody will get these coupons. Some people will get other coupons that you don't know about. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.